ACCA PM Performance Management or ACCA F5 is related to one basic concept: what gets measured gets done. This paper is a significant jump from ACCA MA Management Accounting, where you not only need to do number crunching, you need to apply that numbers in a discussion scenario. This is Ahmed Shafi, the Executive Director and ACCA PM Tutor at Mirchawala's Hub of Accountancy. I have invested 100+ hours in designing a PM course where students are not only taught how to calculate the numbers, they are taught to apply the numbers in a practical scenario or in a discussion scenario, one of the core aspects of PM. This is done by our specifically designed course on our learning management system, which is not only recorded classes, it's a complete package. It involves 100+ hours of knowledge-based lectures in which students are taught how to calculate the numbers and apply the numbers, a dedicated query support department which answers your queries, a testing system which takes tests after every topic, a mock at the end where students are seen and checked and assessed how they're performing, revision classes at the end, and finally, each and every past paper question solved in the class, because we believe past paper practice is the key to success. The effectiveness of this package and how qualitative is that package is evident that our students have been securing nationwide and worldwide positions across the world since the last few years in almost every attempt. If you want to see a demo of our lecture, you can watch this on our website. If you have any further questions related to the course, you can drop a message to me or my administration. If you want to enroll in the course, you can enroll via our website or you can contact administration or me. If you want to do number crunching with practical application and want to enhance your chances in passing this paper in the first attempt, join Mirchawala's. Thank you.